Hey everyone, it's Natasha. In today's video, I wanted to show you Eat2Explore Italy. So if you're unfamiliar with Eat2Explore, it is a subscription box. You can do a monthly subscription or you can do like a continent subscription, which is what we did. We did Europe, and so you get a few countries from Europe, and then you can do Africa or, Asia or whatever. And it has recipes in here and some educational activities, and it comes with like spices and things that you need. So let's just take a look. My teens in particular love the Eat2Explore, but really all my kids do. So we always get a little pin, which is super fun for the country, and so we just put these on our aprons, and then a little sticker, and then we've got in this one a spoon holder. We've got some mixes here. We've got the Rosy Mix, Herby Herb Mix, Mama Marsala sauce. We've got a Caesar dressing mix and a balsami vini mix and perfect panko mix and a garlicky crumb mix. And then let's see what else we got here. So then we have a shopping list. I find this super handy because you can just take this whole thing to the grocery store with you and mark it off. And it has at the bottom what comes inside the kit that you will need. And then we have our paper here that tells us about Italy. So we've got the the name, the capital, location, the flag, unique animals, and then it talks about the Italian meal. And then we've got here, you've got some social studies. This is a worksheet that the kids can do. And we've got art and math and science. And then here we've got the directions for the meals. So meatballs with spaghetti with Caesar salad, and chicken or veal Milanese with root vegetables and arugula salad, and then chicken marsala with egg noodles. So that is what we have in our Eat2Explore Italy box. Again, my kids love these, especially my teens. They like trying new things. And so I'll put a link down below where you can find this. And thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.